now going to take you through how to perform tests using the ForceDecks. So the first thing you're going to do is on the main screen of your iPad, you're looking for the ForceDecks app, so you select that. This is going to prompt you to log in. So you go ahead and you tap login. Once you've entered your login details, now this is the same login that you use when you're accessing the VALD hub, when you're using the iPad for the Dynamo. It's the same login all the way through. Hit login. Brings you to the main screen where you can manage and sign out of your profiles here, but we're going to go straight into test. The next thing the iPad does, it'll search for the ForceDecks. In this case, it's found our 2 force plates. It'll also show you the battery level of each. You hit next once you've selected your force plates. It'll then ask you who you're performing the test on, so you search up your patient's details. Once you find the patient, hit next. It then brings you to all the different tests that are available. Today we're going to be doing the squat assessment, so we tap that. In this test, and there are a few tests like it, it asks you whether there's any additional load. So you may have a patient doing a squat with load. You enter that load here, but the default value is 0 kilos, which is what we're doing today. Hit save. You can add different tags to the test, which can help later if assisting with filtering results and things like that. In this case, we're going to leave that blank. Then the next prompt on the iPad is what they call ForceDecks Vision. So this is where the camera can be turned on, and during the testing, it'll record the patient performing the reps. This can be used later when you're looking at the results. You can actually break down the footage, which will show you once Kim's completed the test. When we're ready, we go ahead and we press start. The iPad says ready to test. Ensure nothing is touching the force plates. Then you're going to click start again. The plates are now zeroing out. Kim, can we get you to stand onto the plates now? It does an initial weigh. Okay, and at this point, we are now ready to go. So Kim, we're going to perform 5 squats when you're ready. As Kim performs each rep, you see the iPad lights up green, that it's successfully recorded the rep, and each rep's being counted along the top. Fantastic, so we're done. We're going to press stop. From here, we've got a couple of things, or a couple of different ways we can look at the results, and I'll show you, Kim. So we can tap the speedometer icon here. This will show us some really good numbers around particularly asymmetry. So here at the top, we've got peak force, bilateral, so through both sides. When Kim was performing her squats, it was showing a 4.9% asymmetry to the right, so she had a tendency to lean and push through the right hand side. We can also tap the camera icon below, and this will actually show us how we can break down and look at each rep through different phases. So right now it's showing us a super slow-mo of the eccentric phase, where we might, with our patient, like to point something out if we're seeing something in particular during that phase of the rep. Same thing for the concentric. We might be able to see and point out maybe that asymmetry Kim was showing was through the concentric phase. The vision is for you to watch with your patient in the app at the time of the test. When you're ready and you've analysed all the data, with the patient you can hit finish. This will then take you to the post-testing summary. When you're ready, tap upload. The results and today's findings will be uploaded to Kim's profile. This is really great because we can review it later, or the next time we perform the squat test for Kim, it'll actually show us where we can see this date versus that date, results-wise. From here, we can repeat the test, we can change test type if we want to do other testing, or we can finish it there. One thing that we found really helpful here when we're performing tests using the ForceDecks in the clinic is we actually show the patient, we log into the VALD hub on the laptop, and we'll provide links here, but there's in the protocol section, it'll show you a video of each of these tests. And we find this really helpful so that the patient can see on the screen a video of another patient doing the test, which helps with giving instructions. We find that if we can just say, hey, we're going to get you to do this, patients often find that really easy to follow and understand.